Hi everyone, it's Wendy Lee. Welcome back. Today I have a massive Joann's haul for you. I hope we get through the whole thing. I don't know if I have anything else in the bag. Oh, I do. I have a couple of things from scrapbook.com that I forgot to show you in another haul, so I'll show those really quick. I just ended up getting the 12 by 12 paper pad of the 31 collection, which I know everybody knows what this looks like at this point, so I won't flip through it, but I wanted to get it because it would complete the collection for me, and then on top of it, I really liked that it had the foiling on some of the pages. And then another thing I got was I was watching CraftPurge, and she said she really likes this Mica Mist from Nuvo. And what color is this in? This is in the color Pink Carnation, and she had sprayed it on some black paper, and it put like these pretty pink like sparkly spots on the paper, which I thought was really pretty. So I thought I would try that out because I've never tried their Mica Mist before. So got that, and let's see what else. There's, you guys, this bag, I went crazy. There might be some stuff from other stores in here too, because like I've told you in other videos, I just put stuff to the side, and then one day I'm like, I need to make some videos because this stuff is taking up space. And plus I need to use it. So I got, you know, I got the Halloween Town and Halloween Party paper pads. I got the 6x6 ones in another haul, and so I wanted to also get the stickers for those. So I thought these were a really good deal. This one has 10 sheets, and you can see on the back all the different sheets of stickers. So they come with tons of stickers. And then I also got the one for Halloween Party, and it also has 10 sheets. I just love this witch with her stringy hair. It cracks me up. And look how this spider web has 2 spiders instead of 1. So cute. And then here's what all the different sheets of stickers look like. What I can do is at the end, I'll save these to the side. I'll show these to you guys. But like I said, there's tons of stuff in here. So let's see. I also got these Hildy and Joe. I got this cute skeleton charm. She's like in a wedding dress, and she has like spiders on her dress, and she has like a red rose crown, and she's so cute. Like, look at her little legs dangling with her little high heels on, and her little arms dangling. So cute. And I also got this one. This one's in the bag. Let me take it out. This one here, it's another little witch, and she's got her little black cat that she's carrying or walking with on a leash. And then look at her cute little witch boots. Oh my gosh, this is so adorable. So I got those 2 charms. I got more of these stickers because they were so cute, these little mummy ghosts. You guys, I went Tim Holtz crazy. Remember I told you I watched the Tim Holtz Halloween video? Yeah, that was a bad mistake. So I don't have really anything Tim Holtz, and I just loved a lot of the Halloween collections that I saw. So yeah, went a little crazy. So I got some of the mini flares. And I got some of the tiny lights. Remember I kept telling you, oh my gosh, look what the makers did. They did so many cute projects with the lights. What is this? This is a sticker book right here, and it's called Curiosities. And we'll do like a quick flip through of it. It just has really interesting stickers in it. All kinds of like sayings: Ghost of the Departed, Dorothy liked anything spooky, a strange visitor, the gravedigger has arisen, mischief, it has come to dwell among us. So there's all kinds of like just little different sayings, like I think 4 pages of it. So I got that. This is called Baseboards, and this is part of their Halloween collection. So I had to get that. These are super thick, chunky pieces in here. Let's see if you can see it on the back. You can, so I'm gonna hold this up. So it says, printed baseboard used as project embellishment. So here's what those look like. I got a couple of ribbons. I think they looked cuter online. I like the bugs, but this one looked cuter online. Now that I have it in person, I'm like, it's okay. I got the adornments. And I got the Distress Collage Medium. So this has 3 different ones in it. It's got vintage. Oh, I can't read them. Oh, includes matte, vintage, and crazing. So that should be interesting. I got some of the bones, and I like these bones because they have like little black speckles in them. That's called Boneyard. Then I got the skulls and pumpkins. And I got this coffin, this vignette coffin. I love how it has like a little shelf in there. So cool. And I got this set, which is called the Sparkle set. It has Nightfall Glitter and Midnight Mica Flakes. I don't know if you can see those flakes in there, but that's like a black glitter on the top, and then these are just like, looks like black crystal flakes. It's almost like a black version of diamond dust. That's what it reminds me of when I look at it. Excuse me, let's see what else I got. Oh, I got this. This is also part of Halloween, and this is called Paper Dolls. And you can see on the back, just comes with all sorts of pieces. And I got the apothecary vials, apothecary vials. I just like that color, because a lot of times you can find the clear, but it's not always easy to find the colored ones. Then I got some of their distress crayons. I have a project in mind for this. That's why I got those. And I got the vignette hardware. I also got the big version of the Halloween party. I got the 12 by 12, which I know there's so many people that have gone through that, so I will not go through that. Let's see what else we've got here. I got some papers. I got some really pretty basil papers. These were on sale, so I got a red foil. It's kind of hard to see that, and I don't want to blind you, so I'm kind of holding it off to the side. I got a really pretty like rose pink foil. And then I got this beautiful like hot pink foil. And I got this really pretty holo. It's like a silver holo. I got a couple of those. And I also got, I'm putting this off to the side so I can show you. Let me put this off to the side too. I also got this one, which is, this one's called Mylar, but I'm gonna show this one to you because it's not what you think. So it's on a white background, but it actually looks like this. So you can put it on top of any color, and the Mylar will just give it a beautiful effect. The color of the Mylar will just give it a beautiful effect. So I got 4 of those. And let's see what else. I also got from the Halloween collection, I got this. It's called Layers. Dr. T.F. Medill, physician and surgeon, office at his residence. But it has a lot of interesting little pieces in it. So I'll just hold that up for a minute so you can kind of like go through and see all the different pieces. So there's that one. And I also got, what is this one called? This is part of the Halloween collection, and this is an Ephemera Pack. And I'm gonna hold this one up too so you can take a look at it. It's got all kinds of cool little pieces and sayings in it. I like how it says toxic, poison, beware, the bugs, 31, the eyeball. And let me see if there's anything else in here. Oh yes, I got the word plaques. Word plaques. So apothecary or carry, found objects, curious things, and bone collector. I got this is called Ephemera Pack, curator. Look at all those teeny tiny little pieces. This is what they look like. There's tons of them, and I know they're hard to see, so let me see if I can read some off. Not really, they're so tiny. They're so tiny that that's what they look like. And I got some of the mummy cloth, which only comes out during Halloween, so I wanted to make sure I grabbed some of that. I got this little bird cage. I got these mini candlesticks, which I also wanted to get the drippy candles, and there was something else I wanted to get, but they didn't have it. So I ended up actually going on Etsy, believe it or not, and ordering it. I'm gonna show you, I got another ribbon. I didn't realize that this was gonna be kind of like a greenish color, but I love how the skeletons have like glittery eyes. And then I also got this Tim Holtz collage brush. And I think that's everything from Joann. So now I just have a couple of things to show you from the Target Bullseye Playground, and one thing from Amazon. So from Amazon, I got these Fringe Scissors. I already opened them and tested them out. So do you see how it has like that fringe up there? So here's what the scissors look like on the side, and you can just cut things. This is kind of like, let me see if I'm gonna be able to do it on this. Yeah, okay. I just have to hold it up a little higher, but they make fringe. They make like a perfect fringe. So I got those. I can link those below for you guys. These weren't easy to find, so I'll link those below for you guys, because I feel like all this other stuff's like really easy for you to find, but those, like, they don't really have a brand, and I thought they worked really good, so I'll share those with you below. And then just a couple of things I found in the Target dollar spot. I got one more pack of these. I got, Giselle, if you're watching, close your eyes. I got some of these rats, but I like them because they had the pretty colors. Look at the pretty colors. And these were only $1. These were also only $1. And then my husband found these eyeballs for me, and I thought these were pretty. It was a 6 count of eyeballs, and those could be really pretty in like some packaging or what have you. And these were $1. And then finally, he also got me this little pumpkin because it was pink and it's so cute. So just this cute little pumpkin. I think this is $1. Yep, it's $1. So that was the Target dollar spot, or Bullseye Playground, I should say. And that's everything, guys. I went through everything. Wow, it was a lot, huh? So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. I'm really excited to play with Tim Holtz. This is not my normal style of crafting, and so I think I'm gonna follow a tutorial at first, or watch, you know, some videos. I think I'm gonna follow a tutorial at first, just so I can like get the hang of it. And I might have to do that a couple of times. I really love the style of it. I just think it's like fun to like play with grunge sometimes. I'm usually like a super girly girl. I love like pink and mint and all that other sort of stuff, but I also do like the look of grunge and vintage stuff, so I think it'll be fun to play with. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing day. I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.